Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen monthly, I still think this could be a wave 5, but I definitely do not see any evidence that this wave 5 is over, especially on this monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely did make a big engulfing move to the downside, but to me it still looks like a 1, a 2, a 3. It looks like this could be a wave forward. It looks like it may actually just keep on going up for a wave 5. Then if it turns down, then if it breaks structure, that's what's going to prove to me that this whole section of trend is over. And if this whole section of trend really is a wave 5 on the monthly, then that should be a big trend reversal. But until that actually happens, we should still be trading with the trend. Heading down to the daily time frame, like I've been saying for weeks now, this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B. So if we do get a big bounce off of Fibonacci level, big engulfing move to the downside, then you definitely should probably be taking it as a short, because it probably at that point would go down for a wave C. But I personally think this is a wave 1 and a 2 back here. I think this is a wave 3. I think this may have already made 1, 2, 3 right here for the wave forward. I think this is more likely just going to keep on going up for the wave 5, especially looking at the US dollar index. I think the US dollar potentially is going to go up for at least a few days before it actually does end up continuing back down. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely label this as either a wave A or a wave 1. I would label this as either a wave B or a wave 2. And then I would say that we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C, because that way it leaves it open to interpretation. That way, if I see a 3, a 4, a 5 shape on the sort of time frames with a break of structure, I'll know that this is not a wave 3, and I'll know that it is a wave C, especially if it makes that 3, 4, 5 shape at a fib level. That is exactly what I would be looking for the short, proving that this is a wave B, that this is a wave A, and that this is going down for the wave C. But I would have to see this picture right here, because otherwise there is definitely a chance that it could just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on going up, which is definitely what I think is possibly more likely. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely still making higher highs, higher lows. Definitely still no reason to think that this trend is over. I am for sure looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks, which it looks like it's already made a three-way pullback. I would expect it to go up and touch that 61.8. Then if it turns down, then if it breaks structure, then okay, that would prove to me that it is a wave B, and I would stop looking for longs and I would start looking for shorts. But until I see that picture, I would just keep on looking for longs, because it could make a higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on trending up. And this may not even be a wave C. It may actually be a wave 3 of wave 5 on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single thing on this list right here from top to bottom every single day, where we look for setups together. It also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.